Hey, what's up? What's your name?
Miranda?
Have you done it before?
No, this is my first time.
How do you feel?
Scared?
Everything will be okay. Have fun.
Okay.
Too orange.
That's pretty Devin. Play now, play later. Up and away we go. Here we go now. That's Dad right here. Proud dad and the brother. We're heading up 13 stories, 130 feet above the ground. Live here at the San Diego County Fair. That's right, doing the bungee zone. Watch us clear these trees. Every tree out here, we're going clear above them. It may not look that high, but we're up there, guys. That's 230 feet up. You can see right off the ocean. And we still climb. All the way up, don't worry up there. We've just about reached our final destination. We'll lock in right here. Miranda will be given some last instructions. We'll open the door and she'll come out on that ledge. We'll close the door behind her. And Amanda, it's all about you and that air up there. Let's wish her well. On the count of 3, we'll focus her forward. 2, 3, 1, yay! Oh, let's go, Amanda, enjoy the ride. Oh, yeah. No hesitation whatsoever. Nice feet. That's got a big smile on her face. Oh, yeah. She's a bird for a little while. How about that? Who wants to give it a try? Age is only a number over here. We don't care how young or old. We're looking for 80 pounds up to 300. Amanda will not land on this bag. We catch every single jumper. We'll put it right there in that chair. You can see the landing right here. Stay right here. Oh, look at her. She's happy. She's feeling good.